All right, guys, so in the fresh 2026 update, CapCut just dropped an AI AutoCut feature for PC. As you can see, you literally just import your footage, hit a single button, and the AI analyzes everything. Then it automatically cuts, stitches, and arranges a fully finished video. To use this AutoCut feature on a PC, laptop, or MacBook, first up, you gotta prep your raw footage. Right here, I've got some raw clips I shot of a local bakery. I've dumped them all into one folder. And now I'm just going to import that entire folder right in. Once that's imported, CapCut pops up this AI Clipper button. Just go ahead and click on that. Since I'm making a tutorial for you guys, I'm just going to leave everything on the default auto settings. No need to type in a prompt. But when you guys try it out, you can totally drop in a description so the AI gets exactly what vibe you're going for. After a quick wait, the AI is done doing its thing. Now I'm just going to look it over and confirm. All right, the AI wrapped up the edit. You guys can see the original raw footage was a total mess. Lots of random clips with dead space and different lengths. But after running the AI clipper, it analyzed, chopped it up, reorganized the flow, and cranked out a pretty solid final cut. Now, I just need to tweak it a little bit, and it's good to go for TikTok or a Facebook reel. So, yeah, this feature is saving me a ton of time. I'm currently rocking CapCut Pro here, so I can export this bad boy in Ultra HD.